So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to open a dispute on your AliExpress. So first, you need to access any search engine, but in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. So you could use any search engines based on your preference. After that, you need to access their website via AliExpress and access your account. And once you accessed it, just scroll down until you reach the end, which is under the customer service, you will find the help center. You just have to click on that one, and once you click on the help center, you will redirect to this page, which is once you scroll it down, you will see under the need more help section is there will be provided online service, which is the 24/7. So once you click on that, you will redirect to this page wherein you could actually chat with some agent of AliExpress and let them assist you to help you guide and open your dispute transaction. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.